Oh shit.
So dude wants his clout, his 30 seconds of fame. Sure, he's gonna get it, but it comes with felony or felonies, depending on if he continues to do dumb shit like this, which he probably will. This guy obviously has a disdain for himself, to put himself in deep consequences for 30 seconds of recognition, then to be forgotten about. Seems more time passes, there's more individuals partaking anything that put others at risk for social media clout. Give it time, people. People like this, they learn the hard way through time. He's just gonna be another casualty when that Mack truck of karma comes running his ass over.